With the parking brake engaged, go ahead and put the car in neutral, and from this point on you can take this chrome piece here, turn it counterclockwise until you can feel it unlock, push it down, and then right down here you'll see a little set screw, which is a very small Allen. I don't even have that size Allen, so I'm actually using a T10 Torx bit, which fits, and this is not tight, so it'll take it out. Unthread it, and then your shifter knob should pull right out. As you can see, ours had this broken piece on the back. Let's grab our new one and slide it on. The set screw needs to lock into that little slot there, so as you tighten it, pay attention to how it seats itself. If you wiggle it back and forth, even if it's not fully tightened, it should be able to get locked in there. That's how you know it's in the slot. And then just give it a super quick snug, very lightly. You don't want to break anything. Then put this little collar back on all the way up, and then twist it to lock it in. There we go. Back in park. At this point, you can give it a test, and it works.